brand new addition to the G1 that wasn't on the old model is this bellow hopper right here. And I'm gonna show you how to use this a little bit later in the video. And this is when you wanna use the bellow hopper feature up top. We're just gonna pump out all the rest of that. So if there's anything caught in there, it's gonna pump it all out. It just brings all of the rest of the grinds to the bottom, kind of just keeps it clean. And that's a great upgrade that Toonie did for the G1 that I'm really happy about, because most of the time it would get stuck in there. You'd have to clean it a lot more frequently. So now you don't have to.